This is sweet potato and this is a sweeter version of sweet potato. Today we will make the regular sweet potato and with only one step we will make it better. It's buttery and golden on the outside, tender and delicious on the inside. Start by washing the sweet potatoes very well. I'm using the white ones from the inside, they're not orange. This type is widely available in Lebanon. Put it in a pot, cover it with water and put it on high heat until it boils. Then put it on medium heat, cover it and leave it until it's fully cooked. After 40 minutes, they're fully cooked and tender. Check it with a fork. It might take less or more, it depends on the size of the potato. You can serve it by cutting the sweet potato into pieces like this, then you peel it. This is my old way in peeling the sweet potatoes, but now I prefer peeling it this way. It's easier and it preserves the whole potato. Every time I make sweet potatoes, I admire each piece. It looks like a snowflake, it's very beautiful. Now for the second method, after you cut the potatoes, put butter in a pan, put the potatoes over it and let it take a golden color on the first side, then flip it on the other side until it takes a golden color. You can flip it as much as you want until you reach the desired color. It's now ready to be served. You can put the boiled one in a plate and the roasted one in another plate. I love to dip the sweet potatoes in some ashta and put some cinnamon over it. Don't forget to try it this way and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.